So in this video, you're going to learn how to use the Sony WH-CH720N headphones to play and pause music on your phone. So the first step is to ensure that the headphones are turned on and connected to your device. Now from here, if you ever want to use the headphones to play and pause music, it's fairly simple. What you're going to do is just go to the right ear cup, and then in between the volume up and volume down buttons, you should see this one right here that has no symbol. Now this one is what you're going to be using to play and pause the music. So as you can see, currently my music is paused, but if I want to play it, I can just press on this button once, and then you can see the music is now successfully playing. If I want to pause it, I can just press on the button once and the music will be paused. So you can just choose to use this to either play or pause the music directly from the headphones instead of having to navigate to your phone so that you can do that. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.